Hey physics, it's week 5. We have our first test this week, so what we're doing this week is gearing up for that. We're finishing up activity 5 on Monday. There's a video that Mrs. Billy made. You're going to use that to fill out questions 1 through 7, including the maze game, and complete your sticky data table. As soon as you're done with that sticky data table, you can submit it to me and be done with it. Monday afternoon, we're going to do some practice with those model drawings because that's a big part of the test, and I want to make sure you guys are really solid on that. Seems like maybe we need some more practice remembering like how to really show those interactions with the arrows and the charges. I want to make sure that stuff is really solid for you guys because that's an important part of the test. If you can make a good drawing, it really shows you understand something. And if you can't yet, it means that maybe there's some stuff that needs to be clarified. So I want to get to either of those things. If at any point this week you need some help, I would like to encourage you to use the My Conference Time link. You can make an appointment with me for 15 minutes or 30 minutes, either in person at the school or using Google Meet. And you can do it with your friends. You can, like, you know, get the help. Get the help that you need to get an A on this test. You can do it. Wednesday, we're going to be doing an Investigation 1 review, which is going to look a lot like the test. On the review, you can work with your partners, like the small group that you are with. You can, you know, do it together with your friends if you'd like to. Make sure that you guys all have this similar idea about how to answer those questions, how to draw the things, how to, all that stuff. Support each other. It's good. And there's a fun video of like tricks you can do with static electricity, just as like a fun break before we get to the test. On Wednesday afternoon, we're going to do a Kahoot to remind us of the important stuff there, make it fun. And then Thursday or Friday morning, you will be doing the test. It is really important to me that you work independently when you're doing the actual test. Academic honesty rules do apply there. I'll post that link Wednesday afternoon. And the format's going to be very similar to what you do on the review on Wednesday morning or Tuesday morning. And then on Thursday or Friday afternoon, we're starting Investigation 2, where we're starting to look at electrical fields, which is like a really cool thing that's going to lead us into some deeper knowledge about what's going on here. So, again, if you need any help, if you check PowerSchool and you're like, oh shoot, I had a missing thing and I didn't realize it was missing, let me know. Yeah, get some help if you need it. And remember that I don't grade down for late work, so anytime you turn something in, it's full points. So if you have gotten behind at some point, you know, you can still get caught up and still get all those points that you want. So have a great week. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, bye.